I hope the theory part is clear. Should we move ahead with the example? Any doubt anyone is having? Let me know. Any questions till now?
Please go ahead.
Okay. So if you guys are having any doubt, don't just hesitate. You can just ask in between also. There is no issue. Now, this is the data. I want to record a macro. Before recording a macro, you need to make sure that the macro is enabled in your Excel. How to not enable? I would say the feature should be available in your Excel. How to enable that feature? Can you guys confirm if you can see the developer tab in your worksheet? How many of you can see developer in their worksheet? Can you raise your hand, the people who can see developer in their developer tab in their worksheet? Okay, only one. Okay. If there is no developer tab available in your worksheet, how you need to enable it? You just need to go to home, right click. There is an alignment tab or anywhere, just right click and you will see customize the ribbon. Okay, just click on that, customize the ribbon. Now this will open this setting for you. What you need to do on the right hand side, your developer must be disabled. This check should not be, like, this is not enabled right now. What you have to do, you have to enable that checkbox for developer and you just need to click on OK. So everyone just do it so that your developer tab is enabled for you in your worksheet and just click on OK. After enabling the developer, just click on OK. Again, I'll tell you, go to home, just right click and there is an option of customize the ribbon. Just click on customize the ribbon. On the right hand side box, your developer option should be enabled for you. If it is not, just enable it and then click on OK. Let me know once this part is done.
Done.
This is
Okay.
done. There is another tab called Automate. So how is Automate and Developer different from each other?
Which is after developer, you have an option of automate.
No,
When?
that's before. I don't see. Maybe it is something to do with the Excel version or something.
Mm-hmm.
No, no,
So
it is not about Excel version. Automate is the option that to run the script. Okay, so a TypeScript, kind of that, they will use it, and we can write the as it is like a macro. We can write the code on it and execute it in Excel workbook. That's not something related to macro. In
okay,
macro is
So there is an automate tab that you can see separately after view or something like
yeah,
that.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
it's like a
I'll talk
menu.
about that.
It will be there.
So we might be having a different feature. So in automate, we'll talk about that later. But for now, we have to discuss macros, and macros is available in developer tab. So you need to make sure that developer tab is enabled. Okay.
I'm not getting that option to add the developer tab.
Okay. Can you just go to home and then right click and click on customize the ribbon? Is this what, like, is this where you are right now?
Customize is also not. It's not. It's disabled in my Excel. Customize.
Okay. Can you just save your Excel? Just Control S and save your Excel and then right click. If it is not saved already, you need to save your Excel. Is this enabled now? Can you just check quickly and tell me?